Okay guys, so this guy, he will solve all these Rubik's Cubes. We have a timer here.
It'll take that long.
I'm pretty sure it will take long, so... Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
You ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay.
Wait, I'm just...
Yeah, okay.
Sure?
Yep, make sure.
Yep.
If you solve them all under 10 minutes, I'm giving you tutorial.
No, it's not 10.
Okay, on the clock, we have... You're at 10 seconds already.
I'm giving you tutorial because if you solve all of them under 2 minutes, 8 under 10 minutes, or 20 under 10.
You can do this.
Wait.
I'm gonna solve all of these Rubik's Cubes. Come on. And it's 30 seconds. We're at 30 seconds already. You can do it.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. We are at 1 minute.
It'll take probably 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
That's one down.
One down. Oh, no. Okay, one. One Rubik's Cube solved in 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Exact.
Are you gonna use this one for the last?
Yes.
I think we already know why. Okay, where are we at? We're 2 minutes and 30 seconds, guys.
2 minutes, 30 seconds. 2 down.
2 down. Okay, we've got 2 Rubik's Cubes finished right here. Okay, this one's unbranded. And this one is Chi. I think that's how you pronounce it. Okay, just gonna solve another Rubik's Cube. We're at 3 minutes. Yo, you can do this.
Tapos na siya. Hindi ka naman kasama na sa'yo yung mga lang.
Are you gonna upload this?
Yeah.
No, I'm just gonna send it to him and he'll upload it on his channel.
For a minute.
We're at 4 minutes. Okay, that's 3 down. 1, 2, 3. Let's arrange this according to. How about blue?
I have only been for 30 seconds.
Okay, 4 minutes 30 seconds. We're reaching. Oh God, it's the Rubik's brand cube. It's lubed, right?
Yeah, don't say that. Friends will go in the comment section and he will comment something briefly on
Okay. Okay, good.
If you're uploading that later, I'm gonna watch it. And put it on time to speak. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
I have to go check on the environment.
Oh gosh. That moment when your cube doesn't have good corner cutting. We're reaching at 5 minutes 30. Okay.
Okay.
4 cubes down. Let's go. We got 2 more. This is the worst one. That's why he's using it for last. Guys,
And
you will
it's
see.
mine.
And it's his as well. This is mine. Both of these are owned by the school, and this is my friend's. This is also my friend's, and this is his. Okay? Look at this. And the stickers are also weird. Yeah, it's okay. Is the black throwing you off a little bit?
Yeah.
We are at 6 minutes 30 seconds.
6 minutes, I might be able to do it in 10 minutes.
Imagine if this explodes while you were solving it.
Final moment.
Oh god, it's.
Hello?
Oh my god, so faster.
Oh god.
Come on. Okay.
Okay. Just do this. Actually, no, wait. I got proofed on.
Oh wow.
Oh god.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one.
Hello, buddy.
How bad is it?
This one?
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
How bad is it?
I'm used to this one though, so
Yeah, I think it's good. We're almost at 8 minutes. Ooh, I called it.
no.
Oh
Stop the
no.
timer.
No.
Wait.
It has to go on. Come
It has to
on,
go
just
on.
fix it.
The
No,
algorithm's
the
gonna
corners
be
go
messed up.
first. The corners go first.
This is why I put this in the last. Wait.
It has, yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
go, continue.
Oof. Oh god.
We're arriving at 9 minutes, guys. Don't panic, just keep going.
Right.
Oh no. Come on. Okay. We're approaching 9 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh god.
One of the corners are twisted. Hold on. Go solve that. Okay, you know what? Let's stop the timer. One of the corners are twisted. Hold this. Hold this. Okay.
Continue.
Continue. Go. There. And 10 minutes. Oh, that's sad. Hey, just continue solving it. This is your last cue. Come on.
This is my last cue.
Come on.
Yes.
Oh, man, 10 minutes,
10 minutes,
14
14
seconds. That's sad. Okay, go subscribe to